Hello, my friend, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. And today, I'm going to teach you how to draw the mohawk hairstyle for your caricature. Okay, so to get started, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to be using model number 3. If you'll pay attention to my little circly thing happening right there, that's the one that we're going to be drawing. Okay, so we're just going to put it right there. And to practice your hairstyles, this is the easiest way to do it. So take your pencil, okay, let's go, and we're going to draw a little wine glass shape like this. Okay, on the base of the wine glass we're going to put the little stem, and then we'll paste the little base here so that the wine glass has somewhere to stand up. Okay. Oh, by the way, this kind of looks like a little head shape, doesn't it? All right, so let's go ahead and continue. So once we finish that part right there, we'll come back with our marker. For this exercise, I'm going to use a Sharpie. Okay, and then what we'll want to do is we're going to first see how our hairstyle interacts with our shape here. So we're going to draw one line here. Okay, then we're going to draw another line here, and we're going to kind of furry it up here, and then we're going to bring it down to the bottom like that. Okay, now we're going to add, and I'm going to change it up just a little bit. I'm going to add a little edge up here. One. Then we're going to add a little edge up over here. 2. All right. Then we're going to add a little bit of a circular line to the outside of our drawing. Okay. So that we have 1, 2, 3 little shapes. Okay. Now what we'll do here is we will put some little direction lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think I want to add my ears because my shape looks a little weird without the ears. It takes away from the shape. But there we have it. Okay. And then obviously our shape will just kind of come around like that. Here you can just kind of copy your lines in. Now, if you wish, you can do a little bit of shadowing. So let's erase our little line here. We don't need that anymore. And then we will take a gray marker like this one here. This is like a little Crayola. Get one from Walmart. Okay, and then we'll just add a little bit of shadow to it. Okay. All right, so pretty much that's it. This, my friend, is how you draw the mohawk hairstyle for your caricature. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. I'll be posting up more videos and tutorials soon. If you have a question or comment, please be sure to leave it in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, my friend. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So, guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.